This is called We Hate Baby Hiccups. Oh, monkey. They apparently don't bother her, but they bug the hell out of me.